Guys, everyone tanawan na is kayang pick din yun na sila crucifix. Na sila cross din eh. Wapo kayang nature guys. Awara good na oh. Sus. Kaingon gyud ka nga by reflection, by reflecting the creation maka-conclude gyud ka nga na Ginoo nagbuhat ani. Creation cannot make itself, no? Creation cannot exist itself. Creation does not explain its very being or existence. Therefore, either we like it or not, either we believe it or not, we agree it or not, there is an intelligent designer, an intelligent creator of the beautiful and wonderful, mysterious creation that surrounds us every day. Nang nice kang symbolism ani no, significance nga the cross is at the top of creation, because that creator did not remain hidden or distance from its creation, from nature, animals, and humanity. He revealed himself totally 100% in the fullness of time. The Word became flesh and dwelt among us. The Lord, out of love, decided to reveal His real self to us, that our human mind cannot attain, cannot understand it by using the human reason alone. No? Therefore, by philosophical or theological reflection, we cannot understand God totally, that He is love Himself. He became what we are so that somehow we become what He is. He wants us to share in His divinity, in His blessed life. Munang kay Kristo, God has totally revealed Himself, and He showed the way, as He said that He is the way, the truth, and the life. And that way, the truth and life, He shows by living it selflessly. No, nawala na ang self. It's not about ego drama. It's not about you, the author,